Fighter
who
ready.
beat Priyanka
Round one,
Jitoshi
start.
earlier this evening. Here we go. Rowdy Rekha Chaudhary representing Team Bharat Kandhare and the Iron Girl Shalu Sharma representing Team Pavan Man. And immediately the barrage begins. Knees, knees, knees. Rekha all over her opponent, looking to establish that Muay Thai plumb. Big knee that landed. Again those knees. And good job there by Shalu Sharma. There's a lot of fight in her. She's trying to get some separation here, looking to slow down the action. But Rekha still got a hold of her. She's got an underhook on the left side and looking to land some strikes. So she locked up that right arm of Shalu Sharma. Again, knees to the body. She's got that plumb, tries to get out of it. Shalu still doing a good job, trying to get some separation here. And has managed to slow down the pace. Rekha immediately steps back. This is what we were talking about. Shalu Sharma is a tough girl. They both come from the same village. They tie up again. Rekha happy to stay in this clinch position and land some shots here.
Inside.
Break down her opponent methodically. This is a long fight. And also, a thing that must be remembered is they don't want to take too much damage here because either fighter will be moving forward. And right now, her opponent, Monica Garg, had a clean fight. She didn't take a lot of damage. And she's in a much better position going into that finale. Right now, it's all Rekha Chaudhary slowly dictating the pace of that fight. Tying up constantly, looking for that Muay Thai plumb again. And Shalu, though, trying to create some space, some range, slow her opponent down. She's breathing heavily immediately, swinging that fastball of a right. And Rekha, like one animal in the pocket, looking to land those big hooks. But there's a lot of fight in Shalu Sharma still. She's not backing down. She's still holding the center of the ring, but she's eating some shots here. Rekha showing some good takedown defense. She's grabbing a hold of her. She's got the single collar tie, clinch position, and she's looking to land some knees here, trying to create some space, trying to get a hold of her head. But they say this in Muay Thai clinch fighting: break the body and the head will reveal itself. What I'm really impressed about is how Rekha is not bull rushing her. She's picking her shots. She's taking some time here. Looking to switch to a takedown there. She's got a hold of her legs. Boom! Straight double leg into a slam. And ground or pound 101. Shalu Sharma immediately looking to grab an arm. She might have a hold of her arm here. She needs to be careful from this position. Let's go of it. Got the head scissors there. It's not really exactly a jiu-jitsu move. But it's very hard to submit somebody from here. Big left hand. On the ground, Shalu Sharma needs to be careful. 1:50 remaining in this opening frame, and she's in a bad spot. She's defending herself, but now mount for Rekha with a lot of time to go in this opening round. 1:40, and slowly, methodically landing that ground and pound. Shalu defending the right way, but now has given up her back. Again gets into that mount. Big left and rights over the top. Even if Shalu survives this, it's still going to be hard. Coming back into round number 2. We saw that with Siddharth Chandan Chive. Now she's trapped her arm. Brutal elbows over and over again. Referee Somnath Giri looking on closely, making sure. Oh man. Shalu is in a bad spot and Rekha is just opening up now. Those elbows and punches are landing over and over again. Still little less than a minute in this opening frame, and Shalu doing her best trying to defend herself. She's got her guard up, she's covering up, but for how long can this continue? Yeah, exactly what she needs. She needs to buck her hips and try to escape out the back door. Standing leg scissors, wow! What a reversal! Great job, great reversal, but the base of leg, immediately the base of Rowdy Rekha comes over the top again, but great job into side control here. And again, over and over the shots.
Blue corner.
She could look for a submission from this position. There are a bunch available into mount again. Trying to escape out the back door. Did a good job there with Shalu Sharma. 10 seconds remaining in the opening frame. But what a barrage of shots in this to start off this second semi-final for the women.
Stop!
As we come
Fight
to a
off!
close of round number 1. Wow! What a round! And there's a reason why they call her the Iron Girl, Shalu Sharma.
Round 2.
That
Stop.
will wear on her as this fight goes on. Shalu Sharma, as tough as she is, still needs to defend those shots. Cannot let her get attacked. And again, Rekha immediately on the offensive. Shalu moving backwards, trying to defend herself somehow. But again, in a bad way. It's just the physicality of Rekha Chaudhary. She's got the strength, she's got the power, and now she's trapped an arm, landing some heavy shots. It's beginning to look like a repeat of round number 1. Only a lot more ferocious, a lot more decisive. It's like she's on a mission. She's like a Scud missile that's found her target over and over again. This is a bad spot. Oh man, Shalu is in a bad way right now. And it's just she's grimacing with each of these shots. Somnath Giri is so close to stopping that fight. Because now, this is worse. This is way worse. She's trapped her arm and she's just going to town. Now there's no way to defend this. Stop the fight. This is just
Stop!
She's out. She's
Game over.
out. Oh man, that fight could have been stopped 5 punches ago. She's fine. She went out for a second. It didn't look like it, but she went, we need to see the replay because she went out for a second there. Oh man, what a job by Rowdy Rekha Chaudhary. She bought the fight over and over again, and the punishment that Shalu Sharma took in that second round.
And now it is time to announce the winner. The referee had to put a stop to this fight and see who made it to the finale by technical knockout. The Satsport.com winner of the fight is from the red corner, Rekha Rowdy Chaudhary.